Thank you. Thank you to all the people who are fighting against Corona. Thank you to all the nations who are giving their best actions towards it. Thank you to all the doctors who take the challenges and stand in this difficult moment with us. Thank you to all the cops who are giving us a comfort and convenience to stop spreading this virus. Thank you to all the political leaders who are giving and taking the actions towards it. Thank you to all the people to having faith and confidence. Thank you to all the nurses to take care of our brothers and sisters. Thank you to all those people to giving their money to support our hospitals. Thank you to all the soldiers, those who are away from their families but still fighting for their respective nations. Thank you to all the people who strictly obeying the rule of a social distancing. Thank you to all the people to following their passions and dreams in this lockdown situation. Thank you to all are them who are having spirit and hope to overcome this challenge. Thank you to all the farmers who are giving us a food. Thank you to all healthcare peoples to instruct us in this situation. Thank you to all fathers and mothers to taking care of their children. Thank you to each and every people on this earth for their outstanding courage in this mission. Thank you to our God who give us a beautiful life, and please protect us in these days. We can and we will overcome this challenge. We have to devote ourselves entirely in this pandemic. Don't lose hope. Beautiful days will come again. Thank you. Thank you so much.